All right, hey there, YouTube. We're here at the Gold Jeep. Don't mind the mess. I've been troubleshooting some stuff, but my last video, somebody asked about this bench seat. And even though I replied to them, I figured I'd do a video for them and for everybody else. I think I've talked about it before, but this bench seat is out of a Jeep Comanche, a little pickup version of these Jeep Cherokees like the one I have. The seat covers came off of eBay. They custom made this one in this pattern for me because they didn't have it listed. And I had to tell them it had no headrests, even though I wish it had them. But I got it to match the back seat. So I have a couple of bucket seat covers floating around. I paid like $300, had to drive almost 200 miles. Found it on Craigslist. But it was good condition, so it was worth it. It is a little bit tight for some reason on the transmission tunnel, but it bolts right in. And because it's tight there, I had to adjust it before I locked the bolts down. Got it where I wanted. It has 4 bolts in it holding it down, but this bolt hole right here is not lining up with the stud, so I got to make a special block, which I'm not going to do just yet because I got some plans and some work to do. So it just came out of a Comanche, and I like the bench seat better than doing my original idea, which was getting matching bucket seats because the other ones didn't match. And then I was going to put a jump seat out of a full-size Jeep Grand Wagoneer that folds down for an armrest because I got rid of the console and the floor shifter. But I like the bench seat a lot better, so this is the route I went. Real quick about this too, this column is also out of a Comanche. It's a tilt shift column, steering column. All I did was, I had to put the knob on because the other one was busted. Put my steering wheel on, and then this lever because it has the cruise control. I found it out of at the wrecking yard here. This is the only one, but I also I took the column, the brake pedal assembly, the cable, and then a bracket and the arm from underneath. And the reason why I had to take the brake pedal assembly is because right there's a bracket that holds the shifter cable, and my original one didn't have that, and I didn't feel like modifying the one I had. I just wanted to bolt it in and go, and then it goes over and connects to the lever on the column. Had to drill a hole up there and so that it would come over and hook up. And then here's the bracket right there that I had to take off the side of the transmission because I think it's longer. And then that lever right there because it was at the correct angle that I needed to make this whole setup work. And I didn't want to modify anything because I just wanted to hook it up and go. But I think you could probably piece this together maybe off of eBay or something. If you can find the bracket, that arm. I think you can buy the cables still new, like from AutoZone or something. Not sure. On YouTube there's a guy that has more information. I watched his video a long time ago, if it's still up. And then if you can find the brake pedal or modify it, your existing one, to get it to work, because you also have to notch some stuff and then make that bracket and everything. But then if you can find this steering column, you can get it to work in yours. And then if you want a bench seat, go out to the wrecking yard or look on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist and see if you can't find one. But yeah, it's a Jeep XJ with some Comanche parts, but at least it's all Jeep parts. So so that's it for this video. Hope that answered some questions and maybe helped somebody out and gave somebody some ideas for something like this. So till next time, y'all take care now.